Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can link your bank account to your Cash App. In order to link a bank account to your Cash App account, you'll need to log in into your account first of all. After that, click on the building icon located right at the bottom. This is going to take you to the banking page where you need to click on link bank, which is right at the bottom. And if you have already linked your bank account, then you'll be able to see the link bank. However, first of all, you need to go through the above statement. Make sure to go through it and click on the continue button. Now you'll be able to see multiple bank accounts that is available on Cash App. So from the list, you need to select the particular bank that you wish to link it to your Cash App account. After you're done selecting it, click on the add button, and next page you'll need to enter in the details of the bank account. That includes entering the account number, username and all that. As soon as you're done entering all of these information, click on the submit button, and for the confirmation you'll be asked to retype in or recheck the information, and in that way you can link a bank account to your Cash App account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.